We're out here exploring Big Hill Park today. It's a nice little lookout deck. You can see the river. I think that's Preservation Park over there. You guys ready to go find another trail? All right. We got a trail there. Nice grassy area here.
Hey, Dad, look.
What do we got?
Pop close up Mommy's head. I don't see it. Entering Forbidden Forest. Daddy, what are you doing? You are down because of your filming.
Just making memories.
Dad. It's Wonderland. What Alice said is that everything that it is today will be run across.
We got a turkey. Let's go look at the turkey. Turkey. Gobble, gobble. I think. Oh, dang.
Berries or not. I'll see if they're good to eat or not.
Oh, those are pretty too. All right, we just finished up our nature walk, and that was a ton of fun. And now it's ice cream time. We got flavor of the day from Culver's.
Yeah.
What is it called?
It's called chocolate covered strawberry. It's me and Mom's favorite, and I think it's Dad's first time trying.
Yeah, I think it is. Let's see what this is like. It's good. It's really good.